Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I will show you as a beginner trader or investor how you can hold a trade longer when you're winning, how to hold your winners. It's really simple. Are you guys ready? You wake up today, you look at QQQ, you know that it's going to go down at least some bit, so you grab some puts and now you're short and you're making some money. Things are going good. But you want to know, when should I take this trade off? When is this a logical time to close the bearish position on a day like today? What we're going to use is a standard deviation trading strategy. The script for TradingView is almost ready, so everybody in the entire world will also be able to use this strategy. It used to always be limited to people on Thinkorswim, which is the platform you see here, but we've taken it upon ourselves to create the system for TradingView, which took a little bit of time, but we have done it. So in a few weeks' time, this strategy I'll show you in 2 seconds to help you predict the bottom and the target of the stock market today will be available for everybody in the entire world. Isn't that cool? So ready? Here we go. So this is the strategy. You're going to use a 1 year, 1 day and 180-day chart every single day. You will come in and you will map off the closest statistical levels to the current trading action. Between the two time frames, 1 year, 1 day and 180-day time frame, almost every single day you will end up figuring out where the price of the stock market will go. Occasionally, you will come across some levels that don't interact with the stock on that day, and that's kind of the up in the air day, but more oftentimes than not, on a day-to-day basis, 180-day, 1 year, 1 day, standard deviation, statistical levels is where your stock market or stock is just going to trade to. So now that we've put those levels on the chart, let's get everything off the chart to make it less confusing. Here you go, and that's the way it looks. It looks like the market sold all the way down to its long-term statistical mean as defined by the white trend line. You might be like, wait, what? All right, let's go back. Let's take it a little bit slower. So this is a 180-day time frame. This predetermined channel / strategy is these lines, the dotted line, the yellow line, the dotted line, the yellow line, or the white line. These are just predetermined levels as defined by a computerized algorithm, if you may. Wherever these trend lines are for the day is most likely where your stock will go to and or bounce off of. So in this case, you will see the NASDAQ opens, sells all the way down to the white trend line, almost off by a little bit. And then the market bounces. So how do you hold your winner longer? Use a standard deviation trading strategy. Map off the closest statistical levels to the current trading action of your specific security. And once you have figured out the trend or the direction for the day, the stock will typically trade to this level. So once you had determined that the SPY or the NASDAQ in this case was going to be downtrending for the day, you would pick the statistical deviation on the downside as opposed to the one on the upside. You might be saying, where's the one on the upside? I will show you. Which I will say, today was slightly confusing. I kind of thought we were going to go all the way up to this level first on the day before coming down, and we didn't quite get there. So when we go back over, you will see that there is this dotted line right there. We jumped up, tried to go towards it, then just broke down and went to the targets on the downside. So between the 180-day and the 1 year, 1 day, we came up with the dotted statistical level on the upside at about 402, and we came up with the statistical level on the downside of about 392.65 or something like that. Between the two levels, the market ended up picking the downside one for the day. We attempted to go up, then dropped to the downside. And literally speaking, that's basically all you have to do every single day. All right, that's it. See you guys tomorrow if our stream works, but it probably won't. All right, have a good one.